Making money on Robinhood with just $10 is possible, but it requires strategy, patience, and realistic expectations. It's unlikely you'll become rich overnight, but you can grow your money and learn valuable investing skills over time. To start, you can invest in fractional shares, which allows you to buy fractions of stocks and ETFs, meaning you can own a piece of a company like Amazon, Apple, or Tesla, even with a small amount of money. For example, you can invest $10 in a S&P 500 ETF, such as VU or SPY, for broad market exposure, which is great for long-term growth with relatively lower risk. Another option is to invest in dividend stocks, where some companies pay a small payment just for owning their stock, such as Coca-Cola, AT&T, and Realty Income. You can also reinvest the dividend automatically for compound returns. If you're looking for potentially higher profits, you can explore cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. But keep in mind that crypto is risky and volatile. It's essential to only invest what you're okay with losing and not to invest your entire savings. You can also use a cash card that offers cash back or stock rewards when you spend, and round up your purchases to automatically invest the change, which is a form of passive investing. The most important thing is to buy and hold, investing in a low-cost ETF or top-tier stock and letting it grow over time. It's crucial to add more money to your investment over time, even if it's just $5 per week. Additionally, it's recommended to avoid risky penny stocks and day trading, especially with a small account, and instead, focus on learning from market trends, reading news, and tracking your investment. By following these tips, you can potentially make money on Robinhood with just $10.